Hey, creative friends, Rebecca here, and I have another 3D print to share with you. It is a rubbing plate so that you can add dates to a sketchbook easily. And so I've designed this to be the size of one of these great field notes books. And it does seem to work pretty well with different thicknesses of paper, so different types of sketchbooks that you may have. And so here's just a standard Crayola crayon, and it works great. And then also just a regular pencil will work pretty well, but I think the colored pencils look the best. Now, any really wet marker or highlighter is not going to work so well, so you really need some sort of dry media for this. And then there are holes on the side and across the top, and I put those there just to kind of help line up the day. So there we were able to see Saturday really easily, looking at the holes going across and on the top. So if you put your dates across the top right of the paper like I tend to do, then hopefully those holes will help you get it the way you want it. So the June and Saturday were pretty easy to line up. A little bit struggle with the numbers 21, but once I use this a little more, it make it a little easier. Now, of course, you could have one of those stamps that are great for putting in the exact date. I've always wanted one of those, but they're pretty big and bulky, and you wouldn't want to carry them around with you. But this is just kind of fun. You know, if you do bullet journaling, you know, the official bullet journal where he just lists all the days of the month, then this would be a handy little rubbing plate to do that really quickly. So if you just want to list out your days of the week or the numbers really quick, then this might be helpful for you. But thanks so much for watching, and and if you practice with it, then you can get their numbers to line up there. But thanks so much for watching. I will put this file over on Maker World, so join me over there and give me a like and a boost. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye.